Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create a template in Docusign. So just head over to docusign.com and make sure that you're logged into your account, and in the home page, you should be able to see use a template. Just click on this. So from here, you have a few options from the starter templates that you can use. For example, we're going to choose this purchase order template. Just click on add selected. So from here, just add the documents that you want to add to the template. From here, you're going to need to set signing order, or you can easily just uncheck this. So in the sender section, just select the name or the email address of the sender and enter the email address and name of the purchaser. And also customize or edit the message, email subject, and envelope types. And once done, just click on next. And Docusign automatically edited this template for us using the document that we uploaded earlier. From here, you can drag and drop standard fields to your document, but as you can see, fields are also automatically added to the template. Just customize the document according to your preference. Then once done, just click on send. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!